How to make thumbnail using AI. Thumbnail generator, AI. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever spent hours or even days tweaking the perfect YouTube thumbnail, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you a game-changing method that will help you create stunning, scroll-stopping thumbnails in under 5 minutes using the power of AI. Let's face it, thumbnails are one of the most important parts of your content strategy. They're the first thing your viewers see, and they're often the reason someone clicks or doesn't. But creating them can be a total time sink. Between designing, planning, testing different fonts and layouts, and choosing the right images, it's a process that eats into your actual content creation time. So, what's the faster and smarter way to do it? We're going to use Canva's AI tools to generate thumbnails that look amazing, and do it with almost zero effort. Let me show you exactly how it works. First, head over to canva.com and either sign up or log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the left-hand panel or search bar and type in Magic Design, or you can simply search for Canva AI. This is where the magic starts. Once you click on it, you'll see an option that says Design for Me. Click that, and you'll be greeted with a prompt box. This is where you tell Canva exactly what you want your thumbnail to look like. Here's where you want to be specific. For example, you can type, create a YouTube thumbnail for a beauty tutorial, vibrant colors, text that says 5 skincare hacks, pastel background, close-up face image, modern design. Adding details like text, tone, background style, and number of elements helps the AI understand your vision better. The more specific your input, the better your result. Once you hit Generate, Canva AI goes to work. In just a few seconds, it will show you multiple thumbnail designs based on your prompt. And the best part? These designs already follow strong layout rules, like contrast, color psychology, and font balance, so they look polished straight out of the gate. Scroll through the options and choose the one that feels right for your brand and content. If you don't find the perfect one at first glance, no worries. Just click More Designs, and Canva will give you a fresh batch of options. Now comes the fun part, customizing your favorite design. Once you've picked a base design, click to open it in the Canva editor. This is where you can tweak every element, from text and colors to photos, icons, and layout. Let's say there's an element that doesn't fit, maybe an image or some placeholder text. Just click it and delete it. Want to replace an image? Use the left-hand sidebar to search for new ones, drag them in, and position them exactly how you like. For example, I might take a stock image from the library and move it to the center of the layout for more impact. I'll also adjust the font weight and size to make the text pop, especially on mobile screens. And if I'm feeling creative, I can even add motion effects or animations if I plan to use the thumbnail on shorts or reels. So now I'm going to double-click on the image element and place it right in the center of the canvas. This is an important little move because placing your main image or subject in the center often grabs attention more effectively, especially when viewers are quickly scrolling through videos. A centered, bold visual helps your thumbnail stand out. Next, I move on to the text. Let's say I want to add the phrase "the end." I'll select a text element and type that in. Since this is a thumbnail, I want the text to be big, bold, and readable even at a smaller scale. So I'm increasing the font size, changing the font style to something impactful, and positioning it where it complements the image, but doesn't overpower it. Now here's something to note. While Canva's AI gives me a solid head start, it's still up to me to refine and style everything to match my creative vision. That includes choosing the exact words, arranging the elements, picking the font, and making sure everything looks clean and sharp. For instance, let's say I want to add a little more context, maybe a subheading or a short hook like "Final Reveal" or "Mind-blowing Ending." I can do that easily by duplicating the text box, adding a new phrase, and formatting it to match the style I've already started. It's all about creating a layout that both looks good and makes the viewer want to click. Then I go into the Edit Image settings. This is where you can play around with filters, brightness, contrast, and saturation. I might want to bump up the contrast just a little to make the colors pop more, or reduce the brightness slightly if the image feels too flat. Subtle changes like these make a huge difference when your thumbnail is displayed on a cluttered homepage full of other content. Once everything is looking solid, the text is clear, the image pops, and the layout feels balanced, I zoom out to see the thumbnail at its actual YouTube size. This is a crucial check, because thumbnails need to be legible and engaging at a small size, not just when you're working on them in full screen. Now, time to download. I head over to the top right corner, click on Share, then Download. I always select PNG for best quality. Then I set the dimensions to 1280 by 720 pixels, which is the recommended resolution for YouTube thumbnails. Once that's set, I hit download and boom, it's ready to go. But if I want to create even more options, here's what I do next. I add a new page and head over to Elements. Here I use the AI image generation tools like Magic Media or Text to Image. Within seconds, Canva generates several visuals that fit the vibe. Honestly, that's what I love about Canva. It doesn't just help you design faster, it helps you explore creative options that you might not have thought of on your own. And all of this, from start to finish, takes just a couple of minutes. So that's the thumbnail we created today, and you saw how quick and powerful Canva's tools can be. It's fast, intuitive, and most importantly, effective. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about using AI to create thumbnails? Have you tried Canva's AI tools yet? Do you think this kind of workflow could really change the way creators approach YouTube design? Let's talk about it. When you're experimenting with AI prompts, try to be as specific as possible. Include details about the mood you're aiming for, the kind of visuals you want to create, even the colors or composition you imagine. Whether it's bold reds and blacks for drama or clean whites and blues for a tech feel, every detail helps guide the AI to generate better results. Don't hesitate to try multiple prompts and tweak them. The best part, it's completely free to experiment, so there's no pressure, just creative freedom. So if you're someone looking to level up your YouTube presence without spending hours stuck designing thumbnails, then this might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. Canva's AI tools make the process smoother, faster, and honestly, fun. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I hope you found this useful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care and happy creating.